My name is Timothy Washington. I'm from Clarence, Louisiana, and I currently work at Stella Jones in Pineville, LA. I am in the AMT program at CLTCC. In this program, have really set me apart from others and taught me how to be a leader and how to communicate with others and really about safety. I love that everything is hands-on, it's kind of one-on-one. This program really sets you apart from others. It allows you to work and go to school at the same time without any problems or nothing like that. I love the program because it's lots of hands-on and you're really being taught face-to-face and everyone is helping everyone.